Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be filming my April 2020 Birchbox unboxing for you guys. And if that is interesting for you, please go ahead and keep on watching. So let's go ahead and open on this box. So when we open the box, it looks like this. And it says the Birchbox tip. Look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. So that's the card that we get. And let's go ahead and open her up. So this is what my inside of the box looks like. And let's go ahead and dive in. So on the card, the first item we got is the IBY Beauty eyeshadow in Nightfall, and this is in the City Limits eyeshadow palette. The full-size palette is $20. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. So let's go ahead and open her up. So it comes with this itty bitty eyeshadow. This is what the color looks like. It's a pretty iridescent, kind of light shimmery champagne shade. And we will swatch this for you. So that's what it looks like. And we can put it on my hand. So if you can see that, it's a just shimmery champagne color. So that is the first item that we got in our Birchbox. And it says, use the champagne shade all over the lid as a base or for a simple eye look. P.S. It's infused with rose hip seed oil for added softness. So that is one of the first items we got in our Birchbox. The second item we're going to be looking at is this Orb Dry Texturizing Spray. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil, gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. The full size of this is $48 and the sample size is 1 ounce. So that is the second item we got in our Birchbox, is this texturizing spray. The third item we got is this R & Co. High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. Formulated to smooth and seal hair cuticle, this cream softens, fight frizz, and enhances shine. Apply to towel-dried hair before styling. And this sample size is 15 milliliters. And that is the third item we got. The fourth item is this Real Vitamin C Sheet Mask. This Vitamin C Sheet Mask visibly transforms your complexion by clarifying uneven skin tone and brightening discoloration. And the full size of this is a 5-pack for $15. And this is the fourth item that I've received. So the last item I got is a Stila lip gloss in Synergy. And it describes it as a hydrating, comfortable lip gloss. This light iridescent pink shade gives lips subtle and sheen and adds volume for a plumping effect. So this is the fifth and final item I got in my Birchbox this month. So please let me know your thoughts and what you thought of my Birchbox. Was it a good one? Was it a bad one? I'm pretty happy with what I got. I think the sample sizes are at least on the bigger side that I've seen watching other people's videos. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be unboxing my Ipsy April 2020 bag soon as well. Thanks guys, and have a great day. Bye.